Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill up a form on PDF on your iPhone. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, then open your App Store to download Microsoft 365 Office application. Let's wait for it to load and then open the application, or if the application has been previously installed on your phone just like mine, open it. Click Documents and select the files which you want to fill up. Click the Edit button and then click on the T sign at the top right. Write anything you want and drag it to the right place. When you finished, click the tick mark on the left upper corner. Well done, you have completed the steps successfully. If you like my video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next